I'm trying to bring back this dead compressor to life. Normally it runs on 0.5 amps, but let's see. Oh my god, almost 2.5. This is times 5 of the amps we're supposed to see here in amp meter. And the compressor is temporizing. What? Now the overload has cut the power. I have to disconnect immediately. Let's see what I can do. Disconnecting the relay and overload protection, trying the direct start. What I need only is neutral and live. What the points I need is run and common. I will make a short circuit to the run and start. Insulated object like this one. This is not for the beginner. I have to short these two terminals, the run and the start. I have to pay attention because I can destroy the compressor if I make a mistake, or someone can be electrocuted here. Now I have to try. Come on.
Try again.
I miss it.
Try again.
Connect immediately.
Try again.
The compressor is temporizing. Let's try again. Shorting the run and start terminals. Come on, let's do this. Fail. The temperature of the compressor is rising too high. I have to unload all of the refrigerant inside the system to make it easier for the compressor to start. Make sure you are working in well ventilated space, like near windows or door. Connecting the overload protection and relay so that I can attempt to start the compressor without raw refrigerant inside the system. Now everything is in place. Now I have to connect to the power. I have to supply the voltage. Come on, the voltage is
Don't
waiting.
fail me.
Come on. Not starting. I have attempted many times. Come on, compressor, come on. I don't have to give up. Come on, let's do this. Come on. Now I have to make another direct start. Come on. Oh, now I'm happy. The compressor is now running. Come on. Now it's good. I have now. The next step is what? Is the refill. The refrigerant refill. Don't change the filter which is not above 5 years, but change the position from vertical to horizontal. Only expert can understand what I am doing. This is perfect position. To prevent this compressor to stuck again, I'm adding some oil to enhance the lubrication. This also will reduce the temperature of compressor during compressor operation.